What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna show you how we can install PIP on Python. So let's get started. First of all, go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt and see what version of Python we have on our machine. Therefore type in Python -- version and hit enter. You can see that we have Python 3.12 installed. Now type in pip help and hit enter. You can see that pip is not recognized. So let's install pip. First we need to run this command. You can find the command in the description of this video so that you can copy and run it on your PC. Now it's downloading the file getpip.py. Once the download is complete, type in Python space getpip.py to run the file. This installs pip. Once pip is installed, if we try to upgrade pip or type in pip help and hit enter, it happens to be the same error as pip is not in our environment variables path. So let's add it in our environment variables path. For this we need to know where pip is installed. So copy this path, type in environment variables in your taskbar. Open it, click on environment variables, go to path on the system variables, click on edit, go to new and paste the path we copied. Click on OK, OK, again OK. Now open command prompt again and type in python-m pip space -- version and hit enter. Now you can see that pip is correctly installed. So you can install your packages using pip. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know on the comment section below.